Hey guys, I'm back again. Sorry about the background, just like I said in my last video, but I'm still in my onesie. Yeah. Today I'm going to be playing a different game now. All of the videos that I've done has been about Roblox, and today I'm going to be doing Movie Star Planet. So, Movie Star Planet. So I've already logged on. So, yeah, I'm in this chat. I'll show you what I look like. So the one that's moving is me. I'm Jasmine, by the way. Anyway, I have hardly no money, so yeah. I'm gonna be creating my account. Let me just close these. So this is me, obviously. Yeah. I'm going to get changed. So does that look nice? Ooh. Okay, that is what I'm going to be wearing. So, I'm going to go to the skate park. So, my aim on this game is trying to get a pet because I haven't got a pet yet, and I used to have like an account on Movie Star Planet where it was like, I had like 6 VIPs. So, and then I gave it a thing away because I was stupid. So, yeah. Sorry if I won't be talking much in this. Well, I probably am, but you know. I don't know what to do. So, I've got this friend on here. Her name's Genevieve is my name. I'll call her Genevieve. So, so yeah, LOL. I'm recording for YouTube. So the next video I'll be doing is actually going to still be today. I think I'm going to be doing like, it's definitely going to be a Roblox video because do you mind? So yeah, let's just wait for her reply. Sorry, the squeaky chair is what I'm sitting on right now because I'm in my bedroom and my bedroom is a mess. Sorry about that. No. Sorry about the fish tank there. Yeah, just mind that. But anyway, I've also got another person. So, hello, would you like me to buy VIP for you? And I said no because she's obviously going to take my password and it's not too good. But anyway. Yeah, so, I'm probably not going to be coming on a VIP just because I'd love to because I have been a VIP before. But the thing is that I don't have any money. That's so sad. Horrible. I hate it. Because I absolutely love getting VIP. It's so cool because you get to keep all of the clothes and things that you get. But yeah, I'm going to show you a house tour actually. So let's go into my room. Okay, so this is my living room. It's got a light, you know, casual chair, and then this little thing with iPhones on it. Next is the garden. So it's just got this little seat and it's got this nice little background of London. I've never seen London before, you know, yeah, London. It's obviously not purple, but it's a night one. So yeah, with some green grass. Sorry for moving around a lot there. In here is my very bright kitchen. So there's a little door. And there's some drinks. And some French food. French bread. Oh no. Next is party room. So you've got a nice skateboard light. You've got a nice sofa. And you've got a nice little glass table. And you've got a nice poster. So yeah, that is my room. And I've got no lights. So yeah, I'm going to make a move. Yeah, so that is that. And then go there. Yeah, so I don't know who this is, but you know. Okay, guys. I don't exactly know what to do, but I'm gonna do. Yay! Money. Never had so much in my life. I'm doing loads of tasks, so yeah, slime. I'm gonna go into fave songs. Yay! Got more. I'd recommend doing these because you get so much money and it's just awesome. So, click games. I love the game dressed up. This is awesome. Okay, so I get really competitive when doing this. Just to let you know. But yeah. I think everything came up. So, rock. Like best friend. That is so pretty. No! I don't want that. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm done. Yeah. The other girl probably win because I don't know what I'm doing. Yep. She won. Prom queen. Hey, yeah, I don't care about that. I keep clicking on it and that is my outfit. Like, what? She's gonna win. I think mine was right, to be honest. Now, do you know what? I'm gonna vote for Purple Moon. Because she just arrived and those who are mean people. No matter what topic is, I'm still going to choose Purple Moon. Yeah. Now, I'm even giving her one because I don't even have one. So... She better vote for me. She better vote for me. Because that... I took my time to do that. By the way, you can't take your clothes off here, so that's why. And that's so annoying, so that's... Yes! She does anti-pick handsome. Handsome. Okay, what? Come on, push for me. She won't break me, yeah, exactly. Emo. So let's go for that. With that. And that. And that. Perfect. I think I done quite well. If you're wondering, I'm this one right here. Someone? Oh, Jennifer's back on. Yeah, I won. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. I'm just gonna go with that. I know this doesn't look like Michael Jackson, but you have to go with the ones that you're given, so it looks nothing like Michael Jackson. So me. Okay, so I'm gonna vote for... I don't want to vote for any of them. See? I don't want to vote for any of them. Because... I think I'm gonna vote... yeah, I'm gonna vote for her. She looks geeky. Okay. Right now, that. Punk school. Okay, I don't know what I'm dressing up as, but here. Yeah, I don't really. Yeah. Yellow. I'm just gonna go with that and that and that. Done. Comment down below if you like slime. 'Cause I do. So guys, thank you. for watching this video. I'm really sorry, this is really